I'm Dennis Bazeka, and I'm the welding instructor at Melville Comprehensive School. I teach 4 different levels of welding, welding 10, 20, A30, and B30. We take our students from the basic skills that are required to start learning how to weld to the point where our students are ready for employment after they get out of the B30 program. We deal with 4 to 5 different processes here. We deal with oxy-acetylene, welding and cutting. We deal with SMAW, which is stick process welding. We also deal with GMAW, which is better known as MIG. And we also work with the TIG process, which is becoming more common all the time and deals with more precise welding requirements. Our students are also involved in apprenticeship programs, and that apprenticeship program allows them to gain hours. So that means every level that we have as far as the welding level is attributing hours to their apprenticeship requirements. We also offer a youth apprenticeship program which deals with online study, which also allows them to gain apprenticeship hours towards their final level of training at the apprenticeship level. We also allow our students to partake in the Skills Canada program, which allows our students to compete at a provincial and national level.